How to get rid of flies quickly inside and outside the home. 1. Flies can be very annoying and disturbing, especially during the summer months. This is the time when they breed and multiply. 2. They commonly invade the home in search of food which they can lay their eggs in. This can lead to food poisoning if you are not careful. Flies can also get on our nerves when we are trying to relax in the garden or outside. 3. The good news is that there are many natural ways to get rid of flies both inside and outside the home. In today's video, we will share with you a method to get rid of flies using natural ingredients. You will need 2 lemons and 1 handful of cloves. Method: slice the lemons in half using a sharp knife and then stick the cloves inside the pulp throughout the lemon. Place these lemons and cloves in places where you wish to repel the flies. Flies hate strong scents and aromas. The acidic citrus smell from the lemon is combined with the compounds in cloves to keep the flies away. Lemon contains a wonderful fragrance and therefore makes the home smell fresh as an added benefit. 4. The above remedy works inside and outside, however there are alternative ways to achieve the same effect. You can purchase clove and lemon oil and add them to an oil burner. This works especially well when sitting outside in the garden. 5. Lemon and clove oil can also be mixed into candle wax to create a fly-repelling candle. These can easily be placed around the home. Always be careful when using naked flames in the home. 6. You can also create a home repellent spray using natural ingredients. You will need 1 spray bottle, 2 teaspoons of washing up liquid, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, 10 drops of clove essential oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, and 250 milliliters of water. Method: add the ingredients into the spray bottle and shake to combine all of the oils. The dish soap helps to mix the oils with the water. Spray this throughout the home to add a wonderful aroma which repels flies. This lasts for up to 2 weeks. You can reapply this whenever you wish. 7. Remember that flies are deterred by strong scents and certain natural compounds. You can make your own blend of essential oils in a spray form and see which works best for you. 8. Lemon and cloves work to repel all kinds of insects. This remedy is often used to get rid of mosquitoes, ants, and other household pests. 9. To get rid of non-flying insects, you can add lemon and cloves to a blender to create a thick paste. Strain this to release the liquid and apply this to areas where insects are entering the home. You can also add a few drops of cinnamon essential oil if you wish. 10. To learn about how to repel ants using cinnamon, please see our other video. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.